Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today I'm gonna be doing an updated what I bought for my new apartment haul. You guys loved the first video of this, and I thought I would just show you some updates I've made to the apartment and things I've bought to make it more pretty. Something you guys should know about me is that I change out my decor constantly. One, because it's my job. Two, because I get sent a lot of products to try, or I'm just constantly on the lookout for new things. And so changing up my space is pretty accessible for me and also really fun. I also feel like I finally nailed down this living room decor situation. So I'm gonna give you kind of an updated sneak peek of what the living room looks like now. There are a few videos coming in the next couple weeks. One is how I updated my IKEA couch to make it beautiful purple velvet. You guys will not even believe this hack, it's crazy. And then another video that's coming up is how to make your living room feel very hygge. If you guys don't know what hygge is, wait for that video. It's all about how to make your space feel really cozy and inviting, and you'll see kind of a more updated shot of my living room in that video. So, without further ado, let's get started, and I'm gonna show you some bits and pieces that I have bought in the last couple months for my kind of new apartment. So yesterday I actually took a trip to Target. For all those of you in the States, you're so lucky that you have Target. We in Canada do not. So a couple times a year I go with my friends Elle and Melissa. So I picked up some of these patio string lights. Target just has things that are just so much better than anything we have in Canada. I should say Toronto specifically. And I love these. They're frosted glass, they have gold detailing, and they are weather resistant. I am gonna be making over the patio very soon, so I'm gonna use these for the makeover. And then I also picked up these string lights. These are a little bit bigger. They're kind of like cafe lanterns. They're white. And I'm thinking I'm gonna string these above the patio to create kind of a bistro vibe. And I'm really, really excited for the weather to get warmer so I can put these up. These were each $20 US, which is an amazing price. There's not super cool ones on the market, I find. They're kind of all the same. So when I saw these, I was really excited because they're just different, they're funky, and they were relatively inexpensive. I'm gonna link these down below. I'm sure they're gonna be on the Target website. If you guys live in Canada, I'm sure you know that shipping and duties are really expensive to ship anything from Target. But if you're in the States, then these links will work for you. Lucky you for having Target. I'm really jealous. So the second thing I picked up from Target, or Target, as Andrew likes to call it. I just collect baskets. It's a thing that I do. Literally 3 new items in this apartment, in this haul, are baskets. But I just think they're so great for plants. They're great for, throw blankets, for laundry hampers, literally anything. And I just feel like no matter how many baskets I have, they all get put to good use. So I got this one. I just love it. So much texture. I think it's gonna make a great plant pot. And this is also from the Opal House collection. Comment down below if you guys love Opal House as much as I do. I think it's just such a great line. Fun fact, one day I would love to own a line like Opal House in Target. It's my dream. Dream big. The next item is from Target as well, and this is from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia collection by Joanna and Chuck Gaines. I think it's both of them. I actually really love this line, which is funny because I don't really love that rustic kind of southern look in my space, but I love, love, love Joanna Gaines' style, and I love that style in other people's homes. I just kind of tend towards more of the boho inspired pieces. But that being said, I absolutely love their line. It's very American to me. Comment down below if you're American and watching this and know what I mean by that. It's just very all American, Southern charm, rustic farmhouse, but not Canadian farmhouse. Anyways, like I said, if you're American and you understand what I'm saying, comment below. I struggle with tea towels because I find that they're either really bold and lots of color and they don't match back to my kitchen, or they're just too plain. But I really like this one. It has little looks like flower details on it. It's made out of a flour sack, which sounds pretty cool. Okay, the next thing I bought from Target is this crazy long body pillow, also by the Opal House collection. Now, this was a winning $30 US, which is a steal. Like anywhere in Toronto, something like this would be so expensive, probably like $100. Look at the tassels, so cute. And I've wanted a really long pillow like this for my bed. I'm not someone who loves a lot of pillows on my bed. I love how they look, but personally, it's like when I need to go to bed, usually at like 9:30 p.m., it's like, I just gotta go to bed. I can't have pillows in my way. I can't like chuck the pillows to the side or like put them on the floor. It's like, no, I need to go to sleep. I do want to get into more of creating like uninviting pillow combination on my bed that I can also use while I'm sleeping, if that makes any sense to anyone. So I thought that this was good because it's a body pillow, so it's super comfy. It can go behind, you know, my actual pillows, but it still looks really decorative. I love all the texture, and I love that it's kind of this off cream color, which seems to be a theme in my bedroom. So I am in the process of planning my bedroom makeover, which will be one of the last videos in the My Rental Reno series, which is so sad, but I am collabing with my good friend Danny Berger from Buyer DIY. We have some epic projects planned. She's gonna do some fun DIYs in the space. The bedroom is kind of overwhelming because it's a bigger space, and I really want to make it feel like super warm and cozy. And so I think a pillow like this is a good start. But stay tuned for that video coming soon. So I picked up another pillow this month. This is not from Target, this is from HomeSense in Canada. Let me know in the comments below if you're from the States, is HomeSense Home Goods or is it just HomeSense? I don't really know the difference. This pillow is actually designed by another good friend of mine, Sam Pin. Fun fact, Samantha Pin was one of the first people I ever assisted in the interior kind of world, and she actually worked at Chatelaine before I started my internship there. It was just kind of a serendipitous meeting, but we have been friends for many years, and she kind of really helped me get my foot in the door in the industry. Walking into HomeSense and seeing her incredible line of furniture, kitchenware, home decor, bedding is just kind of surreal. Anyways, this pillow was in the collection. I absolutely love it. It has this kind of like linen backing and a velvet front, and I just love this dusty purple color. It's like a lilac, and I just think it's so beautiful. And it says her name on the side. It's just another like really cozy pillow that I can actually like sleep with instead of just chuck on the floor because it's not comfortable to use. Marty loves it too. Insert photo here of Marty curling up to the Samantha Pin pillow. It's really cute. Another purchase from HomeSense is this adorable pom-pom basket. Again, I was like, do I need another basket? Probably not, but I've put it to good use with my jade plant, and I can't wait to show you guys how this looks beside my new velvet mauve couch. It makes me so happy whenever I walk into the living room. I'm like, yay, that combo, so good. This purchase is from H&M Home. I've had my eye on this rug for a while actually, and then I went to an event and they gave me a gift card, which was very kind, thank you, H&M Home. And so I bought this rug, and I have to say, I am loving this like burnt orange, pink, white combo. I'm seeing it a lot right now, and I really love it. I think it's my new fave color palette. I just think the colors are so nice because it kind of gives like a pastel pink kind of an edge, if you know what I mean. Like it's not super feminine, it's kind of it's feminine but still kind of like edgy, because my goal in life is to be cool and casual and edgy. This is a wool rug, and I want to include it in my bedroom makeover, but for now I just have it beside my bed until I figure out what the best position for it is. But I think it's the color palette that I want to use in my bedroom when I do that makeover. It's a good start, and it's a good size rug. It's like almost like a runner, but it's a bit wider, so it's just a good kind of rug. Also for layering, I feel like layering rugs is very controversial. Did not realize how controversial it was until I actually layered 2 rugs on top of each other. Some people were like, this is the best. Some people were like, what are you doing? But I'm very much into the layering rug trend, and I think this is a really good one to put over top of like a neutral kind of cream colored rug. So another purchase I made from H&M Home is this really lovely bookend. It reminds me of rainbows. It's very modern. I think it's very boho in a way. Whoa, it also makes a noise. Andrew was like, I like that. Guys, we're taking a pause from this haul so that I can plug my partner Andrew's music. Andrew has 2 albums that he's recorded, produced, and mixed himself. And that's why he said he loves the sound of this, because he's actually a musician by trade. He's so talented. Link down below if you want to grab one of his albums. Now we will resume this chat about bookends. Love this bookend. It just makes me really happy. I bought this because part of my bedroom makeover, I'm gonna kind of do a sneak peek here, but Danny and I were talking about doing some kind of like renter-friendly built-ins. How are built-ins renter-friendly? You will find out. So I'm thinking of styling the shelves, and I really want to use this because I think this gold, this dusty pink, and the burnt orange is just all makes a wonderful combination. Okay, 3 things left. I love this print. I got this for our kitchen. I just really like bagels. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is great. Bagels, 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 bagels. I just thought that was very fitting for our kitchen. My love for bagels runs strong. What's your favorite kind of bagel? 2 little last things. I went to the dollar store to get craft supplies, and I found these glasses. I just think they're so pretty. They were $1.25. They're really heavy. I thought that'd be good outdoor glasses. They have little leaves on them. Andrew the other day was drinking from one, and he was like, where did you get these crystal glasses? And I was like, the dollar store. The last thing I got in kind of the dishware section was this little creamer. It's where you put your milk or cream if you have guests over and you're drinking tea. I am obsessed with this dot. And it comes in handy when you have people over for tea. So one of the biggest purchases of this month was this amazing floor light from Project 62 with Leanne Ford. It's, I think, her exclusive line with Target. She's doing all lighting. It's so incredibly beautiful. It was $100 US, which for a floor light is a pretty great price. And I just like how it's very unique. It's like limited edition, so there's not a lot out there. And I'm just really excited. So the last item is from Dyson. It's their new cordless vacuum. It sounds really sad, but my dream has always been to own a Dyson vacuum because they just are so good. This video is not paid by them or sponsored them in any way. They gifted me the vacuum just to try with no expectation of me talking about it, but I do want to talk about it because I think it's an incredible vacuum. It's changed my cleaning game. Just the fact that it's cordless and it's really powerful, and I just love it. So if you guys are in the market for a new Dyson, let me know. Also, comment down below what your favorite Dyson model is or what your favorite vacuum is. I would love to know. On that note, that concludes this little mini what I bought for my new apartment part 2 haul. Oh, shit, I have one more thing. Guys, I forgot that I actually bought a new rug. I buy too many rugs. Basically, I woke up one morning and I was like, I need to change the living room rug. These are my thoughts. But the one we had in here before, which is in my living room makeover, go watch that. I'm gonna link it up here if you haven't. I loved it. It was very boho. It was huge. It had tassels on the end. It was that rug that like everyone has. And I loved it. It was great, but it was just too big for this space. And I found that it shed a lot. It just wasn't working. So I actually bought this new vintage rug. It's way smaller. It doesn't touch my couch or any of the furniture, which is okay if you're gonna keep it right in the center of a room. So it doesn't look too small in this space, and I think it just works so much better in this space and adds like a little vintage flair to the space. Because I find my style is like very whimsical, it's very boho, but it's nice to bring in another style, I find, just to like mix and match a little bit. So this rug was $140, I think, on sale. I'm gonna link it down below. Actually, all the products in this video will be linked below. For a rug that I'm going to have forever is great. And I sold the other one, so basically like paid for itself. Let me know if you liked this haul video, and if you'd like me to do something like this every few months. I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next Friday. Bye. See you next time.